Asante sana. Mr. Deputy President, Prime Cabinet Secretary, Ministers present, Permanent Secretaries or Principal Secretaries, Heads of parastatals, public servants, the good people, our interns this morning. Good morning, everybody. Hamjambo. Madam Aisha Jumwa, thank you very much for putting this together. When I see Aisha, she is a great inspiration to many people. And she is a product of internship and mentorship. That is how, the first time I met Aisha Jumwa, she was a counselor in Kilifi County. That today she is serving as Cabinet Secretary is tremendous progress. Congratulations, Madam, and I hope through you, many other public servants find the inspiration to be the best they can, irrespective of where they stand today. Today you may be an intern, but the sky is the limit, as long as you work at it.